No, 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 Zach, don't, no, please, 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 no. Oh shit, no, no!
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT. We jumping right into it today. So I just pulled up to my mom's house. I got us sandwiches. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. I'm taking my mom for a ride in my Supercharged Camaro. She's been dying for a ride, so we're gonna see if we can have some fun today, y'all. The weather's not the best outside right now, so hopefully it clears up a little bit more. If not, it's gonna be all good. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, we got my mom in the car. The weather's still not the best, but we'll be all good. It's just the little front screen goes off. So this is my mom,
hey.
Sherry, right here. So yeah, let's go for a drive. We'll see what happens, you guys. The cold weather, it makes the Pro Charger even stronger because it's more air going in, essentially.
Really?
So she's running strong.
Damn, it's loud.
Put it in a touring mode when we go into these lower gears, it's not nearly as loud. Quiets up a lot. So because it's a little bit cold, we're gonna struggle getting traction. That's why I got my tire temperature on. We're still cold. You want warm tires to
you
get better
can warm
traction.
your tires?
Well, you drive around and you warm them up. But yeah, it keeps track of the temperature. I don't know why I'm a little bit nervous, man.
Damn. I'm like excited, a little bit nervous.
Well, we got to turn traction control off, dog.
Off?
Off, dog.
Why off?
So, because that way it gives us full power.
What? Oh shit, no, 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 no. Oh, goddamn. Oh shit.
She gets a little squirrely when it's cold,
dude,
dog.
be careful in the street. The street I got a ticket on. Caught my ass doing a 62.
Oh man. That was a little second gear pull. It spun in third too, though.
Oh shit. How fast are we going right there?
Not that fast. The tires were just spinning.
God damn, I hope my heart could take it.
What's the fastest car you've ever been in?
The fastest car, right here's where I got a ticket. The fastest car was Pop's, what did he used to have, that little truck?
The Cyclone?
The Cyclone, yeah, that baby would get up and go. But
yeah.
That's the fastest I think I've ever drove, was driving that one time.
So my grandpa, you guys, if you don't know what a Cyclone is, it came out like in the early 90s. Little S10 truck that was turbocharged, man. The thing was badass, all-wheel drive. And my grandpa used to have one.
That thing was fast. It's crazy how actually loud it is when you're inside. Because in the video, they just can't, I mean, you just can't capture it.
Camera shut off, so you can't capture like the full effect of the exhaust. Even when I did that exhaust sound video, like, it's not what it is in person, you know?
Yeah, I'm surprised at how loud it actually is.
If you leave traction control on, when you give it power like that, it'll start cutting the power on you. So leave traction control on if you don't know how to drive, but if you know how to drive when the back end
my
starts
traction control on. We'll just say it like that. When it's when your wheels are spinning or you're like fishtailing, that don't scare you?
A little bit, depends on the speed that I'm driving. So the faster you're going, yeah, it can get a little bit scary, but at a lower speed like that, I feel pretty confident handling the car. Or, you know, the worst move people usually make is like jerking the wheel one way. We just gotta make the light, dude. We must hit like 35 only.
car gonna take it?
Oh man. Whew. Yeah, she get a little sometimes she scare you a little bit. I feel, you know, I've gotten a few pulls in, so I feel pretty confident, but she can still get a little bit scary sometimes in town, just because there's not as much room, you know. Mm-hmm. And she just keeps on pulling through the gears, man.
I took my mom on a ride and then gave her a heart attack and killed her.
Damn. I better give me 1 million subs off of it then, dog. Oh, damn.
Shit.
I won't kill you.
I know. I mean, I'm talking about a heart attack night.
Oh, yeah, it's a long drive, it feels like right now. Never been down this road in a while, huh?
Nope. Okay, alrighty now, come on. We got to play. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, oh shit. Ah, okay. Oh shit, Zach, slow down. Zach. No shit. Oh fuck. Oh damn. Woo. Oh shit.
Oh, man.
Oh.
What's this guy doing?
Wait, don't play. Don't play. Oh no. Okay. All right. Okay. Take it down. Oh, shit. Goddamn man. You got me crawling in the seat.
Woo!
Oh damn.
Oh,
shit. Fuck. How damn. How fast was that?
I don't know, we hit like...
What?
What's the fastest you've ever been?
Right there. Shit.
Oh, boy.
Holy. Damn. I think I might have been cussing on that.
It's all good.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, man. I don't know if that's me pushing back or that's the car pushing me back, dude. But I'm like, whew. I'm about to crawl in the back seat. God damn. Did I ask for a ride?
Oh, man.
Oh, god damn. Woo. That's some scary shit. I can't believe you could drive like that. No, Zach, don't, no, please, don't. Oh shit, no. Oh my god. Oh fuck me. Oh shit. No. Dude, no. Come on, Zach, come on. Oh, fucking A. It's too foggy. I can't take it. I can't do it. Shit. Wait, you gotta have to slow it down for a second. I gotta get my fucking mind right for a second. Shit. Oh, goddamn. Oh. Dude. God damn. Oh, God. Okay. That might be all she can do right there. Oh. Whew. Goddamn. Okay. Whew. I gotta get my composure back.
I know I'm sweating too, dog.
Oh, God.
Woo.
Oh. Woo.
Woo. Is that the ride of your life or
Dude,
what, dog?
Oh. Dude. Woo. I'm not speechless much. Fucking A. Goddamn. Woo.
Dude, is this bitch bad or what, dog?
Oh, motherfuck. Goddamn. Zachariah, what the fuck did you do? Oh my God,
man.
goddamn. Whew. Dude, I hope we're done. I don't know if I can do anymore. I can't do no more, man. God damn.
Ooh, dog.
Woo! Dude, not in my wildest dreams did I think it was gonna be like that. I thought I was gonna feel the little rumble, get to hear the motor. Motherfucker! Goddamn! Woo! You done scared the fuck out of me right now. Woo! My hands are trembling.
Woo.
God damn!
Damn.
That was some shit right there. Shit. God damn. Can you turn on some air up in here or something? Okay. Dude, you got me like. Woo! Shit, I think I done left my stomach and my heart back there. Oh, God. Damn.
Oh, man. Whew. All right.
That's on another level right there. That's all that. All that. Oh, God.
Oh, man.
Dude, you'll be able to use that footage,
I can't wait to go back and watch it. I'm gonna be dying.
Oh, shit, dude.
Oh, man. Alright, we'll go back over to the shop.
Oh, shit.
Whew, dog.
That right there. Whew. That right there, man.
Shoo.
Damn, oh damn. Dude, my hair done turned gray or what? Shit. I have to go get that shit dyed again.
Well, I think you should drive now.
Hey!
Give us some gas. Come on, man.